always do with the intention of coming back out in about 10 minutes to turn it back off, and I forgot, so it ran all freaking night long. I hate when I do that. I do that a lot. But guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new and the first time tuning in, welcome to the Lonestar Hawaiian garage, but we're not in the garage. We're actually in the backyard. Guys, welcome to the backyard of my new home. It is so gorgeous out here. Felt like pulling the truck out, having a nice little sunrise, which happens literally right there. Absolutely gorgeous yard. Now today's video, guys, is going to be a fun one because we are focusing in on the most commonly asked question on the channel, which is all about my truck's exhaust. Now this thing has a Borla exhaust system, but the best part about this exhaust is it only cost me about $200 to do, and I did it in my garage and I did it myself. We are over a year down the road. Nothing horrible has happened. Everything is working as it should. The break-in period is over, so we're going to get a good exhaust feel in today's video. Now, the best part about today's video is about the sound. When you do exhaust clips, you want to showcase what a V8 exhaust sounds like, and it's really hard to find something that really does that sound and that feeling justice, but this is what we are exploring today. I came across this product when I was looking online for a better audio option for these videos. It is so hard to get a great feel when it comes to exhaust, because no matter what, microphones don't do exhaust justice, but hopefully this will put us in the right direction. We'll also go into depth on what exactly I did to build this exhaust out of my garage and be over a year down the road and happy as a clam every time I hit that accelerator, because this is a V8, this is America, and this is what it should sound like. So we got the microphones here set up next to the truck. So if you're wearing headphones, I hope you guys enjoy this. Guys, so welcome to the cockpit of the Lonestar Hawaiian Silverado. Now this is going to be a point of view audio. If you can see, I have the microphones in my ears right now, so if I sound funny, that's just what I sound like. I apologize. So let's get going. The first stop we're going to take is to go get some gas, because we're going to use some gas in today's video, and you know, I do it for you guys. I'm burning all this gas, but just kidding, I do it for me. I'm really selfish like that. All right, let's hit the road. Hope you enjoy the audio. Right now we have the windows cracked about halfway, so naturally you will hear some wind noise. I'll roll the windows up here in a little bit when we get on the main road of the private closed course, and then let's get some gas. Massive pothole right there. Oh, there's another one. perched up here wonderfully underneath this tree. Thank you, tree. It's 95 degrees in Texas and it's only 10 a.m. So let's get into the details a little bit on my exhaust, how much it costs, how to do it, and how I like it after about a year. So first off, I run a Borla XR-1 muffler. Now I purchased this off Summit Racing over a year ago. At the time we lived in Hawaii on a little island, and as you can imagine, everything's expensive. Everything's shipped in. Summit Racing shipped it for free. Big motivating factor there. Now I paid $179.99 for this muffler. It is an expensive muffler, but it's that quality Borla name, which I really wanted. Now on top of that, Borla guarantees no drone with any of their mufflers. Before I had the Borla, I had a Cherry Bomb Extreme, and as you can imagine, the sound was epic. Loved the sound, but long trips on the highway, I wanted to die. The headaches that came with that muffler, I don't want to relive. But at the same time, I did not want to sacrifice sound for the simple pleasure of just not having a headache. So I wanted a good sounding aggressive exhaust, but I didn't want drone in the cab, and that's why I looked up Borla. Now XR-1 mufflers is a glass pack muffler. It's considered a quote unquote racing muffler, but what I did, I bought that. I bought a 3-inch exhaust pipe. I took a saw and a couple wrenches and created my own exhaust system. Grand total, I paid $200 for it. $200 for a Borla Call It system, and we're over a year later. Sounds wonderful. We're past the break-in period and still no drone in the cab. I love this exhaust to death, guys. So first thing, we'll shift back to a video where I installed the Borla XR-1 in the first place and removed the Cherry Bomb Extreme. Cherry Bomb Extreme exhaust, 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, and they have a 3-inch exhaust pipe with a bend cut to be basically a downturn at the rear axle. So, where we came from, where we're going. So now that you've seen that getting nice and dirty for you guys laying here in the dirt, so here is over 1 year later. The Borla XR-1 muffler still looks cherry. Now, the Cherry Bomb Extreme, pun intended, cherry. Cherry Bomb Extreme after a year had already rusted, but as you can see here, that Borla still looks amazing. Now, one of the most common questions I do get nowadays is about this piece, this exhaust pipe. I bought this off Amazon as part of Amazon Prime for $29. Now the idea behind this, again, living on an island, everything's expensive, everything has to be shipped in, but hey, Amazon ships for free. So this exhaust pipe actually came down another, called 18 to 20 inches, but it had a 45-degree bend in it. So what I did, I took that bend, cut it right at the bend, and it gave me what you would call a dump. So this exhaust comes from the stock Cadillac converters, down the 3-inch stock pipe. The Borla XR-1 is clamped in there. And then my 3-inch exhaust purchased off Amazon is clamped there. And then lastly, it dumps out right at the rear axle. I haven't had any fume issues in the cab. Now, I would caution doing this type of thing if your truck is lower, because the exhaust fumes will continue to kind of creep around the inside. But at the end of the day, that's all up to you. So here it is, guys. $179.99 for this Borla XR-1 glass pack muffler, racing muffler. $29 Amazon Prime exhaust pipe. Bought 2 clamps from O'Reilly's, and just for extra security, I believe about a year ago I put this in here just to keep a hanger there, so kind of like an exhaust hanger, but here you go. That's where we let freedom ring from the 5.3 liter V8 in the truck out the Borla XR-1 exhaust. And here is the fun part of the video. Now that I'm completely covered in dirt, we're gonna find a backcountry road on a private closed course here and get you guys some flybys. Let's go find that private closed course. location, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. And to be honest, I really don't know why I washed my truck even, because I literally washed it yesterday, and then I come out today to film this video for you guys, and I am in complete filth. All right, guys, it's about time. Let's start having some fun. Guys, I'm working hard. I'm working hard for y'all. I am literally just sweating bullets right now. I'm soaked. It is a wonderful 103 degrees in North Texas. Thank you, Texas. Absolutely gorgeous day. It got so much better. That was awesome. All right, we'll see you back at the garage. All right, guys, we're back. Made it back in one piece, but the truck is completely filthy. This was totally clean when we started this video, and yeah, she's a bit dirty. She's a bit dirty. I'm gonna have to clean this again. Fun stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. I know I did. It was an absolute riot. The exhaust on this truck just gets better and better with time. 5.3 liter V8, a V8 Symphony with the Borla XR-1 muffler. Again, that entire setup, I did it in my garage in Hawaii with limited tools for 200 bucks. I'll put everything link in descriptions below to check it out if you guys want to try it out. Now, I will tell you, I am by no means a certified technician, so take this as a grain of salt, but something that I've done that I really enjoy, you can try it out as well. If you enjoyed that 3D audio, really cool invention, I'll put that in the description below as well from Scenes. Now, those microphones are really cool, especially when it comes to music. V8 music, in fact. Now, if you did enjoy this one, be sure and smash that like button below. Comment below your favorite exhaust for these trucks. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe as well. Be part of the Lonestar Hawaiian family. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, Lonestar Hawaiian on Instagram. Get the regular updates there before you see them drop in on YouTube. Now, the garage build will continue, guys. Stay tuned and stay close to your phones because this is going to change completely. So excited for the garage build to continue, the truck build to continue. We're only going to do bigger and bigger things. Now, keep in mind, I'm just a regular guy living in Texas. I work the normal 50 to 60 hour a week job. I have a son, a wife, a truck, a house. I'm just the normal guy, but I'm doing my best to show you that it is okay to be impractical. You don't need the normal daily driver. You don't necessarily have to throw a lot of money at modifications if you get a little bit creative. So I'm hoping to show you that on this channel, and it will continue. I promise that. But until next time, as always, y'all take care. Aloha and enjoy the ride.